Father, please come down to meet us. We are waiting for your touch. Open up the heavens, shower down your presence. We respond to your great love. We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. Open up the sky, fall down like fire. We don't want blessing, we want you. Open up the sky, fall down like rain. We don't want anything but you. Jesus, Jesus. Let us sing. Our beloved Jesus, we just want to see you in the glory of your light. Earthly things don't matter, they just fade and shatter when we are touched by love divine. We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. Jesus, we won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. Open up the sky, fall down like fire. We don't want blessing, we want you, Jesus. Open up the sky, fall down like rain. We don't want anything but you. Oh, Jesus. Here we go, let's go to the throne, the place that we belong, right into His arms. Here we go, let's go to the throne, the place that we belong, right into His arms. Let's sing it again. Here we go, let's go to the throne, the place that we belong, right into His arms. We won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. Jesus, we won't be satisfied with anything ordinary. We won't be satisfied at all. Open up the sky, fall down like fire. We don't want blessing, we want you, Jesus. Open up the sky, fall down like rain. We don't want anything but you. Open up the sky, fall down like fire. We don't want blessing, we want you, Jesus. Open up the sky, fall down like rain. We don't want anything but you. Oh, Jesus, Jesus. Jesus, we want